Hello everyone, this is Amrita Das from One India News, and today we are here at the Auto Expo 2023. Now this is one of the largest automotive shows that is being held in India in National Capital Region. It is being held by the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, and we are here in Greater Noida today, and we are going to just look around. Personally, I am technologically I'm not very advanced, and I do not really understand cars, to be very honest. So I come here, but there are a swarm of people around here, and then we're going to just ask people that what are their interests in this car, in this place. You know, this year they are going to promote EV cars, and they're going to bring out some solar cars. Maruti, Toyota, and many other brands are here. So let's just go and explore a bit with me. So we are inside hall number 9, I believe, and there are a lot of cars being, showed by Maruti, Toyota, and it's a little overwhelming for me, to be very honest, because like I said, I do not understand cars, and my company, they bought the ticket for me here, so I'm here. But then again, I sometimes would like to know that there must be others who are accompanying others, and then not really, want to look at cars, but look around. So I want to find people like me here. Okay, let's find people like me here. So you're a volunteer here?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about this exposition, and how's the process of getting volunteering here, and what are your interests?
Actually, getting here is a bit, it's not difficult right now, because you just have to, encounter agency, whomsoever is interested in this doing Auto Expo. Right now we are with Communic, and the agency is All for One Events. So they are managing quite well.
So this is your first time in Auto Expo? I'm sure it's not.
No, it's not.
I don't know, 100 times
In Delhi, yes.
in Delhi.
In Delhi, yes.
In Delhi, you've been there, but
Yeah, I've been a couple of times, yeah.
Okay. The Auto Expo is happening after 3 years. So have you attended the Auto Expo before? This is your first time?
No, this is my first time.
And so guys, this is your first time in an Auto Expo, or have you been here before?
Yeah, I have been here multiple times.
It is my first time actually, and I really like the cars over here. Some are new concept, and it's amazing.
So it's just the car that brings you here?
Yeah.
What can you tell me about this place, and why? What brings you here?
We are for the joyride actually, to see new cars, new upcoming models. Some models which are not coming to India but are in abroad, other countries as well. So just here to explore cars and see what's new in the market.
So this is happening 3 years after a gap of 3 years. So do you think there's any?
And due to COVID and all that, yeah.
So do you notice any changes? Are the crowd more, or?
Crowd is too much. It's too much.
Because you would know what is coming in the future now. It's the time of electric, and you can see a lot of vehicles are here, either plug-in electric or hybrid electric or fully electric. So that's what you can see. What you should expect on roads, you can see very well from here.
So I think Toyota and MG particularly, and even Hyundai, they are coming up with very good new models, particularly in EV sector. So I think it's something to be seen and appreciated, especially like MG4, MG5, then Ioniq 5 and 6. These are like really good and futuristic models. So
I would say that I'm also interested in looking at the future cars, and from what I have noticed, I see a lot of electric vehicles, but I would love to see them on road, and I would like to see how well they perform in the Indian market.
Actually, we are from the component side. We have a charging component, means the component for the charging infrastructure, basically dealing for the electric mobility.
Okay, so this year the electric vehicle year, there's a thing going on here.
You know that electric vehicle market is booming up. So we have also thought to cater this market. So we have a presence over here.
Is that India can actually, make it viable for electric vehicles to ply on roads very soon, because they have to build up such stations for plugging in and charging. So that's an issue. So what do you think about that? Do you think it's going to be possible anytime soon? Maybe coming 5 years?
Yeah, I do think that is possible. Given the incentives provided by the government, I believe that that will be coming soon.
Do you think that our country has enough infrastructure to actually accommodate these kind of cars to be plying on the road right now?
Infrastructure will come over the time.
How long do you think it's going to take for us?
It's a chicken or egg thing that you are asking me. But yeah, if you have like CNG, it did not take Delhi to take up CNG to the entire public transport. But today the entire public transport in Delhi is on CNG. Similarly, even other cities will take up, and we are seeing that a lot of EV sales are going up. So yeah, so as the sales go up, the infrastructure will keep coming. Yeah.
We first need to look at our infrastructure and see whether it's viable or not. And India is still yet to achieve that. there's a long way to go. Let's look at the infrastructure first, roads, and then come at it.
Is it? Yeah. Arav, tell me, so what is the car that you would like to purchase from here?
Bentley.
So I think, as per my experience, I think German cars, I think Lamborghini and much luxury brands are not there this time. So I was looking for that. So right now I'm just looking for the Maruti and Hyundai. That's why.
So, apart from Bentley, any other preferences for you?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, but it's not here.
Yes.
Are you a little disappointed that there are no German cars or Lamborghinis are missing?
Little bit, I would say.
So we explored a little bit of the Auto Expo and 2023, and it was quite fun for me. Granted that I do not know anything about cars. This is the I think umpteenth time that I'm telling that I do not know anything about cars. So please forgive me if I said something wrong here. But yeah, the people mostly today who are present on January 13th, to be very precise, who are present here, they had to spend $750 for the tickets. So obviously, they are not just here for to roam around or to just look around. They are here particularly for the cars. And like we saw a family, they came here for just one kid because the kid was interested in the cars. So yeah, that was pretty interesting for me to see. So yeah, thank you for exploring Auto Expo 2023 with me, and thank you for watching One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.